Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to downgrade OBS Studio using GitHub. If you're running into bugs with the latest OBS version or need a previous version for compatibility with plugins, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your browser and go to the OBS Studio GitHub page. GitHub is where all OBS versions are stored, including older releases. Click on the Releases tab to see the list of all available OBS versions. Here, you can browse the version history and select the one you want to downgrade to. Once you've picked your desired version, scroll down to the Assets section for that release. You'll see download options for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Click the installer that matches your operating system to start downloading the older OBS version. Before installing, it's a good idea to uninstall your current OBS version to avoid conflicts. Open your system's control panel on Windows or Applications folder on Mac and remove OBS Studio. Don't worry, your scenes and profiles are usually saved in a separate folder, so you won't lose your settings. After uninstalling, open the installer you downloaded from GitHub. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once done, launch OBS Studio, and you should now be running the version you chose. Take a moment to check your plugins and settings to ensure everything is working as expected. Downgrading OBS from GitHub is especially useful if a new update broke a plugin you rely on or if you want to maintain compatibility with older setups. And that's it. If this helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.